Today, boys and girls, we are going to learn how to use the interactive map on 4 different models. I got a comment on my Nuvi 50 LM, which I do have here. It says the interactive map, it isn't that good. Tough to use. Well, no. Not tough to use if you know how to set it up. So we're going to do this with 4 different models here: DriveSmart 50 LMT-HD, Nuvi 56, Nuvi 2250 LT, and a Nuvi 50 LM. And we'll start with the newest one, DriveSmart 50 LMT-HD. Now I will note that on all of these I have the map detail set to normal, and I don't have it set to more or most, because when you have it set to normal, it makes it easier to drag the map around. So okay, first I'll pick a location. I'm just gonna put this right in the middle of Boston. So go to category, cities, search Boston, Boston, and set location. Yes, these are all in simulator mode. Okay. So right in the middle of Boston, let me get rid of that. There we go. Now you can really see the map. So I'm gonna tap the screen, but not on the vehicle icon, because if you do that, it brings this up. So I'm gonna tap away, and then I'm gonna tap this little guy. Oh, I missed it. Try it again. There we go. And I see this down here. I'm going to zoom out to 5 miles. And what I'm going to do is navigate to the cliff walk area in Newport, Rhode Island. So watch down here. Now I can do pinch to zoom on this one, but I'm going to use the plus and minuses on purpose. So let's just zoom that out. 5 miles. There we go. Okay. I'm going to drag this down until I get to Rhode Island. Oh, there's Newport right there. Now I happen to know where this is on the map, so I'm just going to show. I'm zooming in now. And it's right there on the coastline. Let's see if I can get it just right. It's up here. Getting closer, getting closer. The cliff walks, oh, there it is. See, the cliff walks right there, and I want to be on Wetmore Ave because I know there's a parking area there. So I just tap. Okay, good enough. Go. It's going to calculate.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Worcester.
Okay, and the route. There we go. There's my route. Now I'm going to repeat this process on the other units. So we'll stop this one. We will do, let me just move this one out of the way. We'll do the Nuvi 56 next. Now this one is a matte screen. It does not have pinch to zoom, so you have to do the drag the map around thing. Still works fine though. So again, I will go to category. Put it in the middle of Boston. Once again, Boston, Boston, Boston. Set. View. Okay. Very similar to the DriveSmart 50. Tap. Now this one, just one tap brings you out. And again, I got my 0.2 miles, so I'm going to change that to 5 miles. Away. Now this one is a little slower compared to the DriveSmart 50. Okay, so now I can start dragging around. This one actually seems to have a better response than the DriveSmart 50 does. Okay, there's Newport, so let's zoom on in. And where was it? Oh yeah, I think it's down here. Yep, there it is, right there in the corner. Oh, I see it. Zoom, zoom. Is that Wetmore? Yes, it is. Tap. And go.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Worcester.
Okay. And once again, let's view what it gave me. There it is. Okay. And stop. Alright, next we'll try this little guy. 2250. Same process. So where to, and I'll do a city search. B. Okay, I already typed it in before, but I'm gonna do it again just to show you. OSTON. Go. Boston, Mass. Hamburger. Set. Yep. Go back. View the map. Okay, and tap. And zoom out to 5 miles. Alright. Drag it down, drag it down, drag it down, drag it down. There she is. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom. Yep, I see it. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, there it is. Zoom, zoom. Is that Wetmore? Oh, it's not telling me yet. There it is. Tap. Go. This one actually gives me a preview. Actually, I'm just going to hit go, and then I'll do it the other way. All right, go.
5.4 miles, then turn right onto Worcester.
Okay. Tap. Hamburger. Show. This one does take a little longer to draw out, but okay, there it is. It's thinking about the... There it goes. So there's my map. Yep. And away we go. Stop. All right, let me put this one to the side. And now the most difficult of the bunch. The Nuvi 50 LM. So let's do the same thing. Down, city, spell, BOSTON, Boston, Mass, set, and view. Alright, we're in the middle of Boston. Tap. At 0.2 miles, so we'll change that to 5 mile. Now if this was set to more detail instead of normal, this would be really almost unusable, but in normal this is fine. So again, drag down. Now there's, again, on all the matte screens, there's no pinch to zoom, you got to drag it. Okay, and oh, there it is. Zoom, zoom. Zoom. Oh, I see it. Okay. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh, there she is. Is that Wetmore? Yes, it is. Tap. Go. So it is doable, although this is slow, but it's doable. Yeah, you can see it's even chugging away, putting the route together. It will do it though. It will do it. You just got to be a little patient.
Drive 0.3 miles, then turn right onto Worcester.
And away we go. So there you go. 4 different models. And that's how, an example of how to use the interactive map.